pecking at something.
Now we'll try and get the skip thing.
So, why are you doing everything with your nose? Just tell us.
Did that drag them too long? Change the video. Yeah.
Hello everyone, Ostrich Crackers here, and today for Miscellaneous Monday we are playing Ride to Hell, a game infamous.
What are you doing?
Don't make it full screen. Hey!
So,
This should be fun. Yay!
tell us why.
Yeah!
Why are you doing everything with your nose?
Because you tied my arms behind my back.
Yeah,
And my arms are here.
Okay,
The funniest thing I've ever seen, you look like a bird. Dig in.
I can't pinch.
No, you're fucked because you can't get rid of the video now. Or your nose.
Easy Riker, 1%.
You just look like a bird pecking at something continuously.
Shoot propane tanks to dispatch groups of others. Oh wait, difficulty can be adjusted at any time in the options menu.
We'll get the skip thing. Ah!
Hello, procrastinators, and
No, no, change it.
It's so funny when you do that.
hello, procrastinators, and welcome to
Oh,
I've noticed the
goodness.
face YouTube.
Oh, well.
This is
Oh, dear.
This should be a world record. Quick, stand by.
two things I have.
What are you
Hey,
doing?
there's things that are on standby.
What? Now you're going to try and do the remote now, are you?
The other part of me is I'm a huge fan of Doctor Who's the best thing. Just the best thing ever.
What else can you do with your nose, I wonder?
Theatre, film, TV. Doctor Who is just the best thing.
Now what are you doing?
Unfortunately, it's never really have a good game. It has so much potential. It's never really have one. This is my favourite Doctor Who game, and I thought I'd play it today because it's November and it's done kind of plot. So this is the day where the
Down a bit.
celebrates attempted terrorism. And I just thought it was.
That's the one.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Beauty.
Oh dear.
How's it going, Breastmates?
Why are you headbutting pubes?
So you double tap to make it bigger, but
You're headbutting pubes.
no.
How's it going? Today we're going to play some Slendy Tubbits with the Elk Elizabeth.